Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to adjust the closet door gap here. And I'm going to show you the quick, easy way to do that. Follow me as I show you how. As you see, the gap is wider at the top and it gets quite close at the bottom. So the way to adjust that is right inside. If you look, down here, there's a nut and bolt that rides in a track. That track has teeth on it. Hopefully you can see that. And what you want to do is make sure that that one and the other one line up. As you see, this one is much closer to the end than the other one. So let's start by moving that within that track further towards the wall. There we go. Let's try that. And now the gap looks pretty similar all the way. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider a like, subscribe, or comment.